हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ श्वेता। आज हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं रिसेंटली डिलीवर्ड किचन विच इज़ बाय Almac इंटीरियर्स द्वारका। दिस किचन इज़ मेड इन HDHMR with outer finish acrylic shutters. This is a Liftup. This is a grain trolley. This is a multi-purpose drawer. This is a corner unit, which is also called a swing corner. This is a multi-purpose drawers to keep the big utensils. This is again a corner to keep all the big utensils. This is a lift up. This is a dish rack. This is an RO over the sink. This is a pantry unit. This is a glass crockery unit.